So good morning everybody. Today we will revise the surface area and volumes. Surface area and volume. These all formula are very important and it will be used in your complete career. So now first one is rectangle. Suppose A and B is the side, A is the length and B is the breadth. So the perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into A plus B and area will be A into B, that is length into breadth. Now square, suppose square is having side A, so the perimeter will be 4 into A, 4 into side, and area will be A square, that is side square. Now parallelogram. In parallelogram, this one is the A and this one is the B and this is the height. So the perimeter will be 2 into A plus B. Perimeter will be 2 into A plus B and area will be A into H. Area will be A into H. Now rhombus. Rhombus having all sides are equal. So this is the side A and this one is the diagonals. Diagonal D1 and this is diagonal D2. So the perimeter will become 4 into side. Rhombus perimeter will become 4 into A, that is 4 into side, and area will be half into D1 into D2, half into D1 into D2, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So rhombus area will be half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Now trapezium. So this one is the side A and this is side B. So now perimeter will be sum of all sides. Perimeter will be sum of all sides, that is called trapezium, sum of all sides, and area will be half into sum of parallel sides into height, sum of parallel sides into height. So half into A plus B into height. So trapezium will be half into A plus B into height. Now circle. This is the circle. The perimeter will be 2 pi r. R is the radius of this circle. So perimeter will be 2 pi r and area will be pi r square. Area will be pi r square. Now for cuboid. So this is the figure of the cuboid and this is the side A which we called A. This side we indicate as B and this height we indicate as C. So total surface area will become 2 into A into B plus B into C plus C into A. Total surface area of this cuboid will become 2 into A plus B, 2 into A into B plus B into C plus A into C. And the volume will become A into B into C. The volume will become A into B into C. Now cube. Total surface area, cube, that will become 6A square. Total surface area will become 6A square. And the volume will become A cube. The volume will become A cube. Now for the cylinder. So this is the A, this is the height A, this is the radius R. This is the radius R. Or you can say H. H is the height. So the curved surface area of cylinder will become 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of cylinder will become 2 pi RH. Total surface area will be 2 pi r into H plus R. 2 pi r into H plus R. And the volume will become pi square H. The volume will become pi r square H. Now cone. In the cone, this is the radius, this is the height, and this is slant height L. So cone, this is the height H, this is the slant height L, and this is called radius R. So the curved surface area will be pi RL. The curved surface area will be pi RL. Total surface area will be pi R into L plus R. Total surface area will become pi R into L plus R. So the volume will become 1 by 3 pi R square H. The volume will become pi R 1 by 3 pi R square H. Now frustum of cone. This is R1 and this is R2. This is R1, this is R2, and this is called slant height L, and this one is the height. So the curved surface area, the formula of curved surface area will be pi into R1 plus R2 into L, pi into R1 plus R2 into L, and the total surface area will be pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus this pi R square. Total surface area will be pi. So first term of the cone, that will be curved surface area pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Total surface area will be pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R square. And the volume will become pi by 3 into H R1 square plus R1 R2 plus R2 square. First term of cone, that the volume will become pi by 3 into H R1 square plus R1 R2 plus R2 square. Now a sphere. Now we will come to next shape, that is a sphere. So the curved surface area of a sphere will be 4 pi R square. Curved surface area of the sphere will be 4 pi R square. Total surface area will be also 4 pi R square. And the volume will be 4 by 3 pi R cube. Volume will be 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now next topic, next point is hemisphere. So the curved surface area of hemisphere will be 2 pi R square. The curved surface area of hemisphere will be 2 pi R square. Total surface area will be 3 pi R square. Total surface area will be 3 pi R square. And the volume will be 2 by 3 pi R cube. And the volume will be 2 by 3 pi R cube. Now triangular prism. Now triangular prism. So this is the triangular prism and this is height. So the curved surface area will become perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base into height. And total surface area will be curved surface area plus 2 into base area. Curved surface area plus 2 into base area. And the volume will become base area into height. Volume will become base area into height. Now triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. L is the slant height and H is the height. So triangular pyramid, the curved surface area will be half into perimeter of base into L, half into perimeter of base into L, half into perimeter of base into L. Now total surface area will be curved surface area plus base area. Total surface area will be curved surface area plus base area. Now volume will become area of the base by 3 into height. Volume will become area of the base by 3 into height. So hope you have noted all the points. Thanks for the today. Have a nice day.